Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the troll DELORES swamp thing Sanderson has said I am fear-mongering. We have seen ice storms in Virginia, major snow in Montana and the upper Midwest, freezing storms in Virginia, and the Pennsylvania Turnpike being shut down in 2 places due to ice. And here are videos from Joe Chiaffi, Direct Weather, and elsewhere saying a major winter storm is coming, starting in South Dakota, Montana, moving to the Great Lakes, and even Minnesota has ice and snow now, and eventually going to Pennsylvania, upstate New York, Connecticut. It probably won't reach Boston. It may or may not reach the eastern shore of Maryland. But these were videos posted in the last couple of days. And Joe Chiaffi is a retired major television station meteorologist that worked for years. So in tonight's video was his partner, the other Joe, and a third Joe who works for the National Weather Service in upstate New York. So I don't fearmonger. I never fearmonger. When I post a video and saying a major storm is coming, I tell my viewers and subscribers to be aware of it, to be careful, to hopefully stay home and not go out on the roads because they are going to be treacherous. By next week, this storm will blow over, but you have ice, snow, rain, sleet, and it's causing major problems on the highways and roads. And that's why I mentioned this video in my video earlier today. I don't fearmonger, I give facts. And I've been watching weather videos from Joe Chiaffi, Direct Weather, and Live Storms Media, where they film tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, snow, blizzards all over the United States and Canada, and even in Cuba when there was a hurricane. And they probably also filmed the tornado in New Orleans yesterday that did a lot of damage to Louisiana, Alabama, and Mississippi. In fact, they did. I saw the videos. So don't give me any crap that I'm fear-mongering from a troll that lives in the shell she swamp and who has no idea what she or he or it is talking about. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I always tell the truth.